And we're back to retouching with Photoshop. Let me show you how you can improve teeth. So these teeth here are actually quite fine, but we can use some detail adjustments to improve them. Just copy the original, press Ctrl J, then right click, convert it to Smart Object. And now we use the Liquify filter on it. We use the first brush on the top left and then adjust size. And for the pressure, you don't want to have this effect too intense. At around 100 you can see this is a little bit too much. We go to 30 maybe. And that's a better one. And then you just go over it, in this case with a very small brush, around 25. Then we go to 10 for some more detail adjustments. Maybe add some more pressure. And let's say you're not really happy because it was a little bit too much. We can simply switch to the second brush on the top left, which is the reconstruction. And then you can bring the original back in this case a little bit, so it kind of warps it back. You have to adjust the size and the pressure here as well. Let me go to 25 and 50, and I bring that a little bit back, maybe up to here. Let's switch to the warp brush again, straighten out these lines. And here that's actually quite fine at the bottom of the line, but we can improve the results right there. So we go over this somewhat beige area. As always, you don't want to overdo such adjustments because it's going to look unnatural then. But adjusting it like this looks actually fine and natural. We can always check and uncheck the preview to compare it to the original. And then it's up to you to decide if it still works or if it's already too artificial. And once you've got it, there's actually an overall slider that you can use. And that is found right here. It's called Reconstruct. When you click on it, a new menu should pop up. And that has just a simple slider. And if you go down to 0, it brings back the original. And 100% will be the full adjustment that you've made using the warp and the reconstruct tool. And everything else is then in between. So it is a very helpful option. In my case, I would say I go to around like 70 or 80. And this has improved our results. And I think it still looks natural. If you want to practice, you can find a specific photo that I've used via the link in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.